Hello everyone, my name is Honoria and welcome to my YouTube channel. LuxOria Beauty is about making everyone look good and feel good through affordable homemade DIY skincare and hair care recipes in the comfort of your home without breaking the bank. As a teenager, I suffered with hyperpigmentation, dark spots from mosquito bites, filariasis, dry skin. Finding a product that worked for me without damaging my sensitive skin was quite challenging. So I taught myself and I continue to teach myself how to formulate my own homemade body lotions, beauty soaps, body scrubs, face scrubs, and scrub soaps to help treat my skin. I am also growing my natural hair, as you can see. So I'll be sharing with you my natural hair care journey and the products I use on my hair. I actually formulate my own hair care products as well, such as my shampoo bar, and I have a lot of videos in store for you guys. I am very passionate at what I do because this is my life, this is my journey. So I'm going to bring to you the best and tried skincare and hair care recipes. If you are interested in any of these, then you're definitely in the right place. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll bring to you new videos once or twice every week. So be sure to click the notification bell so you'll be the first to know each time I post a new video. Thank you so much and I'll see you soon.